This is Garmin Fenix 7X Pro. I think it is a top-notch GPS smartwatch that exceeded my expectations with its impressive array of features. The moment I put it on, I was struck by the stunning 1.4-inch color display, made up of durable sapphire glass, which is both scratch-resistant and crystal clear. One standout feature is its solar charging capability. The watch face includes solar panels that extend battery life by converting sunlight into power. This means less time worrying about charging and more time enjoying your adventure. Moreover, with a water resistance rating of 10 atm, the Fenix 7X Pro can withstand pressures equivalent to a depth of 100 meters. It's perfect for swimming and other water activities. The Fenix 7X Pro has an impressive battery life of up to 28 days in smartwatch mode, which can be further extended to 37 days with solar charging. In GPS mode, it can last up to 89 hours or 122 hours with solar charging, ensuring it meets the demand of ultra endurance events and long term adventure. The device supports multi band GNSS global navigation satellite system, which includes GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. This multi frequency reception improves positioning accuracy even in challenging environments like dense forests. With our 40 sports profiles, including running, swimming, skiing, biking, and more, the Phoenix 7X Pro caters to a wide range of athletic activities. Each profile is equipped with specialized metrics to track enhanced performance. Moreover, preloaded topographic maps for multiple regions around the world enable detailed navigation. This device also supports downloadable color maps and custom map overlays, making it ideal for off grid explorers.